Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize LastPass account with MFA and Vault security checks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the LastPass website. Log into your LastPass account using your username and master password. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your account icon. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Navigate to the Multi-Factor Options tab within the account settings. Here, you will see various multi-factor authentication methods available. Choose your preferred method, such as Google Authenticator, YubiKey, or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen MFA method. If you select Google Authenticator, download the app on your mobile device if you haven't already. Scan the QR code displayed on the LastPass setup screen with the Google Authenticator app. Once scanned, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back in the LastPass setup screen to confirm. If you're using YubiKey, insert the device into your USB port when prompted. Press the button on the YubiKey to register it with your LastPass account. Once registered, you can see it listed in your multi-factor options. After setting up MFA, it's important to perform Vault security checks. Go back to the Account Settings menu. Select Security Challenge from the options available. This feature will provide you with a comprehensive analysis of your Vault security. Follow the prompts to fix any vulnerabilities detected during the security challenge. Review any weak or reused passwords and update them as necessary. After completing the security checks, ensure your MFA settings are saved and active. Log out of your LastPass account to finalize the setup. Now, when you log back in, you will be prompted for your multi-factor authentication code. This added layer of security will help protect your sensitive information effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.